The Timber Ridge pop-up camping tent is designed for effortless assembly, allowing you to set it up in just 60 seconds, which means more time to enjoy the great outdoors. This tent features a water-resistant coating and durable polyester fabric to protect you from the elements, while its large mesh windows and skylight ensure excellent ventilation and stargazing opportunities. With a spacious interior of 8 feet by 8 feet and over 6 feet 6 inches in height, it comfortably accommodates up to 4 people, providing ample room to move around and store belongings. An additional vestibule offers extra storage space for your gear, helping you stay organized and keep the tent clutter-free during your camping trips. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this tent is backed by Timber Ridge's commitment to customer satisfaction, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. The tent comes with essential accessories such as a rainfly, sturdy stakes, tie-down ropes, and an oversized duffel bag for convenient storage and transport.